Oh, we just picked up the car. Oh, we gotta drive back to the shop. Guys, welcome back to another video. We're on a car hunt for Thomas right now.
Yes, sir.
Those dudes, I don't want to spoil it too soon, but a new project for the channel. It's quite the project. If you guys have been following on Insta, you guys have probably seen it. Yeah, we're gonna go check it out right now. We got money in hand. Bills on bills. Let's see. Look at those Browns. Browns. It's like 20 minutes out, but wanted to start this video. Get you guys excited for what's to come. Because I know I am, and this guy's cheesing over here.
Having a great time. I'm nervous.
So yeah, anyway, we're gonna be pulling up soon, and we'll show you the car.
Keep up in this world.
So we just picked up the car. Gonna grab it right now. Did all the paperwork for it. Got temporary insurance. Now we gotta drive it back to the shop. But yeah, we'll show you guys it now. Pulling up on it as we speak. There she is. The cheapest Type S. The cheapest Type S. It looks mean though. But yeah, there's been some rust repair done. So I think we're gonna dive into this and figure out what exactly happened here. Type S logo ripped off, unfortunately. We got a hole in here. We got a hole down here and on the other side, so we gotta do wheel wells. Gotta repair this corner. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Can't really see the interior, but this is her. She's a little mad. Comes the first start though. Something kind of crazy is I got asked to help rebuild a Supra, and I think we're gonna do it. Honestly, it's a little nuts. That thing is crazy. But yeah, this is a Supra. In the midst of being rebuilt.
Let's just try to get in there.
Yeah, the tires.
I have like a bunch of. This is the EG.
Oh yeah. So where's the EG at? It's nice in here.
So this is the
roll cage. Oh, the roll cage is there too.
I forgot. The fuel cell is it's inside.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is an undertaking.
So I just want to finish it.
Yeah. Just get it back on the road. These dudes. The shop. Damn, Tom, it's kind of clean.
So proud. So excited.
Look at the cheese it. Yeah, it's actually clean.
I ain't fixing back there, probably.
Dude doesn't even know how to drive stick. Tell him the key's not even in there.
Yeah, I'll get this trunk open. No, I think that's the hood. Could be it. This also might be a sunroof.
It's probably sunroof. Here, open it. It'll probably be on the bottom. I actually have no idea. That might be what's rattling around in here. This thing was bumping around. I don't know where it is. It's probably in here somewhere. I have to look it up. But this is it. This is the whip, man. It's kind of clean. Oh, my ashtray too. So yeah, we're gonna start taking this thing apart, working on it, get it back on the road. Gotta get jacked up, but I think that's about it for today. Any final words, Tom? Any final words? Just a boy with a dream.
Just trust the process, and we'll recognize this car out there one day.
Okay, thanks for watching. Come along for another one. Peace.